This is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. I will begin with the trading mindset, and the theme of this video is that the market is always right. And let me explain. I grew up in my parents' shop. My parents had a shop, and I used to help them as a boy. And there was a lesson that my father instilled in me since I was little, and the lesson was that the customer is always right. And why is the customer always right? Because the customer is your livelihood. If you respect the customer, you respect your livelihood, and God will give you plenty. If you don't respect the customer, you don't respect your livelihood. The same principle applies to the markets. The market is our livelihood, and therefore the market is always right. You can watch the charts, make an analysis, and later act on your analysis. But sometimes the market has its own ideas and it acts against your analysis. Don't be stubborn, don't insist, and don't try to justify your failure. Just accept the failure and move on. I will not even explain the reasons that led me to take this short trade because evidently I was wrong. And therefore, I must accept this failure and move on, wipe everything from the chart, and start fresh. And this is a fresh look at the chart. You can see that Bitcoin is trading at a narrow range, with the range low being at 51K. The range high is at 52.4, and the market is trading inside this range for more than a week since February 14. Yes, I expected a correction, not a severe correction, but a correction nonetheless, and we didn't get a correction. Why? A possible explanation is that sometimes when the market is extremely bullish, a sideways trend acts as a correction without any need to go down lower. If this is true, then a sustained break above 52.4 with a retest will confirm a long bias. If the market breaks below 51 with a retest, then the market will confirm a short bias. Whatever happens, it doesn't matter which side price breaks, if it's a breakout or a breakdown, wait for confirmation because the price action at the moment is not very clear. If the market breaks above 52.4 and sustains above 52.4, my initial target is 55K, which is a psychological number, a multiple of 4, a multiple of 5, excuse me, and 57K, which was the all-time high distribution range low. These are my upside targets. Will I take a long from a breakout? Most probably not, because I think that the market is a bit overextended at the moment and opening fresh positions is not advised. However, I do have some remaining long positions and I will just ride these long positions. If the market breaks down below 51K, then expect a correction. The initial target is 49.6, which is the 0.236 fib retracement. I don't think that it provides enough of an opportunity for a long trade. However, we do have two demand zones on the 4-hour time frame with the proximal line beginning at 49K and the distal line at 47.7, and I will be actively looking for long trades inside these demand zones. And again, I give you the levels 49K and 47.7. In the meantime, it's best not to trade this market because it's really going nowhere and you will just get chopped to pieces. That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps and I will see you in the next video.